back to my friend's workshop. Now let me demonstrate how much gas this wastes. Here we have a standard cylinder with a standard cylinder regulator connected to the guard. And on the other side, an Integra E2 cylinder with its advanced integrated regulator. Each cylinder is connected to a separate welding machine. And these two machines are the same model as each other with the same hose and length and type. So from that side, it cannot influence the flow performance of the regulators. The standard regulator is set to deliver a nominal flow of 15 liters per minute, while we use an E15 IFO on the Integra E2 cylinder, also giving a flow of, indeed, 15 liters per minute. So what is the setup behind me? Well, using a bit of clever electronics, we are managing to control the valves. We are able to compare the pre-weld surge from the two different setups, and with the only difference, the surge effect on the standard regulator versus the surge on the Integra E2 cylinder. The results will be shown on this TV screen, where we will see the time in seconds on the horizontal x-axis and the flow in liters per minute on the vertical y-axis. Let's pull the trigger to start the test. Let's go back now to the results that we can see from the flow performance test. The blue line is the flow performance from the standard cylinder and regulator. The green line is the flow performance from the Integra E2 cylinder. There are three observations regarding the flow performance when comparing the standard cylinder and regulator versus the Integra E2 cylinder. Firstly, the peak from the standard regulator is higher. Looking at the screen, we see that it peaked at 40 liters per minute. Secondly, the peak in blue with the standard regulator lasts longer. In fact, it lasts for almost all of the sequence. On the right of our screen, we see the gas saving. And here we see a gas saving of 34.5%. This is because the Integra E2 cylinder consumed in this sequence 1.7 liter, whereas the standard regulator consumed in that same sequence and time 2.6 liter, or 34.5% more gas. We see that our smart cylinder has again done exactly what it is designed to do and helped save gas. Now I can start welding. But before I do, remember, we will bring you other webcasts soon talking about the other features being flow consistency. Thank you and see you soon.